the legend of Jesse James. And John Henry, just to mention some names. Well, he's a truck driving legend in the South today. A man called Bandy from Atlanta, GA. Every kid jamming knows his name. He swears got eyes for the running in his vein. A foot like lead and nerves like steel. He's gonna go to glory riding 18 wheels. Oh, honey hooks. Well, he left Atlanta back in '63, hauling him a load up to Tennessee. He hit Mount Eagle and it started to rain, so hard he couldn't even see the passing lane. Well, he started down grade when he lost a gear. He reached for the brakes, found he had no air. The Mount Eagle grade is steep and long, and everybody that seen him thought the bandit was gone. Mercy. But listen to me. Well, his truck jackknife turned completely around. He was coming down backwards about the speed of sound. A lot of folks seen him, and they all say he had his head out the window, yelling clear the way. Well, he got to the bottom, safe and sound. Everybody asked Bandit how he made it down. He said, folks, when the truck picked up too much speed, I just run along beside it and drug my feet. You heard the legend of Jesse James. John Henry, just to mention some names. Well, he's a truck driving legend in the South today. A man called Bandit from Atlanta, GA. Every kid jammer knows his name. He swears got eyes for the running in his veins. Foot like lead and nerves like steel. He's gonna go to glory riding 18 wheels. Tell him, get out.
100,000 miles on my knees, hauled marbles and rocks and all twice before. I hauled a Barbie doll bed for the girl next door. She tried to pay me with a kiss and I began to understand there's something women like about a pickup man. When I turned 16, I saved a few $100. My first car was a pickup truck. I was cruising to town and the first girl I see was Bobby Joe Gentry, the homecoming queen. She flagged me down and climbed up in the cab and said, I never knew you were a pickup man. You can set my truck on fire and roll it down a hill, and I still wouldn't trade it for a Coupe de Ville. I got an 8-foot bed that never has to be made. You know, if it weren't for trucks, we wouldn't have tailgates. I met all my wives in traffic jams. It's just something women like about a pickup man. Most Friday nights I can be found in the bed of my truck on an old Chase lounge, backed into my spot at the drive-in show. You know, a cargo light gives off a romantic glow. I never have to wait in line at the popcorn stand, cause there's something women like about a pickup man. You can set my truck on fire and roll it down a hill, and I still wouldn't trade it for a Coupe de Ville. I got an 8-foot bed that never has to be made. You know, if it weren't for trucks, we wouldn't have tailgates. I met all my wives in traffic jams. It's just something women like about a pickup man. Oh, stand on it, son. A bucket of rust or a brand new machine, once around the block and you know what I mean. You can set my truck on fire and roll it down a hill, and I still wouldn't trade it for a Coupe de Ville. I got an 8-foot bed that never has to be made. You know, if it weren't for trucks, we wouldn't have tailgates. I met all my wives in traffic jams. It's just something women like about a pickup man. Yeah, there's something women like about a pickup man.